Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be exploring the city of Calgary, and right behind me, as you can see, that's downtown. So let's go and explore city of Calgary today. So in today's video, let's embark on the exciting journey to discover the breathtaking city of Calgary, nested in the heart of Alberta. From its stunning skylines to its rich cultural heritage, Calgary has something for everyone. My first stop takes us to the iconic Calgary Tower. Standing tall at 191 meters, this towering structure offers panoramic views of the city and the majestic Rocky Mountains in the distance. As we ascend to the observation deck, the scenery unfolds, giving us a glimpse of Calgary's beauty from above. Now let's step back in the time and visit the Heritage Park Historical Village. This living museum takes us on a journey from Western Canadian history. We can explore the authentic buildings, ride on a vintage steam train, and even try our hands at panning for gold. It's a true immersion into Calgary's fascinating past. My next destination is a treat for animal lovers, the Calgary Zoo. Spread over 120 acres, this zoo is home for over 1,000 animals from all corners of the world. From playful penguins to majestic lions, we can get up close and personal with a wide variety of species. The Calgary Zoo also plays an active role in conservation efforts, making it a must-visit spot. Now let's explore the vibrant energy of Calgary downtown by scrolling along Stephenson Avenue Walk. This pedestrian-friendly street is lined with shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. With its lively atmosphere, street performers, and unique boutiques, it's the perfect place to indulge in some retail therapy and grab a bite to eat. If you're lucky enough to visit Calgary in July, you simply cannot miss the world's famous Calgary Stampede. This 10-day celebration of Western heritage brings together rodeo events, live music, delicious food, and exhilarating rides. It's an experience that truly embodies the spirit of the Wild West and showcases Calgary's vibrant culture. For those seeking a breath of fresh air and natural beauty, let's head to Nose Hill Park. As one of North America's largest urban parks, this expansive green space offers stunning views of the city's skylines, the perfect spot for hiking, biking, or simply enjoying a picnic while immersing ourselves in the tranquility of nature. The city is divided into 4 quadrants: northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. Streets run north-south and are numbered incrementally from west to east, starting from the Bow River as the center. Avenues run east-west and are numbered incrementally from north to south, starting from Center Street as the center. When it comes to public transportation, Calgary Transit is the go-to option for many residents and visitors alike. The Calgary Transit system operates an extensive network of buses and trains, making it convenient to travel throughout the city. Calgary's bus network covers a wide range of routes connecting different neighborhoods and destinations. The buses are equipped with modern amenities including wheelchair accessibility, bike racks, and real-time GPS tracking for accurate arrival times. The Calgary Transit website and mobile app provides detailed route information and schedules. Calgary is also famous for its C-Train system, a light rail transit network that spans the city. The C-Train is a reliable and effective way to travel with efficient service and stops at major destinations such as downtown, universities, and shopping centers. It operates on 2 lines, the Red Line and the Blue Line. However, using tickets or transit passes is often more convenient. Additionally, the Calgary Transit app allows you to purchase tickets and passes directly on your smartphone. If you want to get the tickets or the transit passes, you can do so from Circle K stores. Let's take a closer look at the beautiful city of Calgary and its unique climate. Calgary is known for its diverse weather conditions throughout the year. Let's start by understanding the 4 distinct seasons this city experiences. First up is winter, which typically extends from December to February. Calgary winters are cold and snowy, with temperatures often dropping below freezing. Snowstorms are quite common and the city transforms into a winter wonderland. Be sure to bundle up in warm clothing and enjoy activities like skiing and ice skating in the nearby Rocky Mountains. As winter bids farewell, spring arrives in Calgary from March to May. This season can be very unpredictable with rapid weather changes. You may experience sunny and mid days along with occasional rain showers. It's advisable to carry layers and an umbrella to adapt to the ever-changing weather. Summertime in Calgary lasting from June to August brings warmer temperatures and plenty of sunshine. Days are typically mild to hot, with temperatures rising from the mid-20s to low 30s degrees Celsius. It's a fascinating time to explore outdoor activities like hiking, biking. Finally, autumn arrives in Calgary from September to November, painting the city with stunning fall colors. Temperatures gradually cool down, ranging from the mid-teens to low 20s. As the leaves change, it's an excellent time to take scenic drives through the nearby national parks such as Banff and Jasper. Now that we have a general understanding of the seasons, let's talk about some key weather patterns in Calgary. One unique phenomenon is the Chinook winds. The warm winds can rise temperature dramatically in a short period, melting snow and bringing a taste of spring even in the midst of winter. It's a fascinating weather event that showcases Calgary's dynamic climate. Now comes the surrounding areas and the cities around Calgary. Just a stone's throw away from downtown, you'll find Prince's Island Park. This urban oasis offers a serene escape from the bustling city. Take a leisurely stroll along the pathways, have a picnic by the river, or even catch a live performance at the outdoor amphitheater. It's a perfect place to relax. Now let's hit the road and explore the breathtaking surroundings of Calgary. We're heading west to the Bow Valley Parkway. This scenic drive will take you through some of the most picturesque landscapes you'll ever encounter. Our first stop along the Bow Valley Parkway is Johnston Canyon. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on the unforgettable adventure. Follow the trail through lush forests, past cascading waterfalls and over scenic bridges. It's a must-visit spot for nature lovers. Next up, we are venturing further into the Rocky Mountains. Just a short drive from Calgary, you'll find yourself surrounded by majestic peaks, pristine lakes and an abundance of outdoor activities. Welcome to Banff National Park, Canada's oldest national park and the UNESCO World Heritage Site. This place is an absolute paradise for hikers, wildlife enthusiasts, and photographers. Whether you're hiking to stunning viewpoints like the Lake Louise or soaring in the therapeutic waters of Banff Upper Hot Springs, this place will leave you in awe. Heading south of Banff, we arrive at the stunning Kanaskis County, known for its breathtaking mountain landscapes, crystal clear lakes, and endless trails. This area is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking, mountain biking, fishing, or simply enjoying a peaceful picnic, it's all possible here. Last but not least, let's head east of Calgary to Drumheller. This unique town is famous for its rich paleontological history and the world's famous Royal Tyrrell Museum. Take a step back in time and explore the Badlands, where you will find ancient dinosaur fossils and remarkable rock formations. It's an educational and exciting experience for the whole family. Our first stop is the charming town of Cochrane, located just a short drive west of Calgary. Cochrane is nested against the backdrop of the stunning Rocky Mountains, offering breathtaking views at every turn. It's a perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Take a stroll along the beautiful Bow River, go hiking or mountain biking in the nearby hills, or even try your hands at fishing. Cochrane is also famous for its Western heritage, so be sure to explore the historic downtown area with its kiosk shops and delicious local eateries. Next to our list is the city of Airdrie, located in the north of Calgary. Airdrie offers a perfect blend of suburban comfort and small-town charm. One of the highlights here is the Nose Creek Park, a sprawling green space that features walking trails, picnic areas, and even a skate park. For a dose of culture, head to the Bath Church Live Theatre, where you can catch live performances ranging from plays to concerts. Airdrie is also known for its friendly community events, so keep an eye out for festivals and markets happening throughout the year. Just a short drive south of Calgary, we have the town of Okotoks. This picturesque community is famous for its natural beauty and unique attraction. Explore the Okotoks Erratic, a massive glacier rock that become an iconic landmark. The Sheep River Valley is another must-visit spot offering scenic trails for hiking and biking enthusiasts. If you're interested in history, make sure to visit the Okotoks Museum and Archives, which showcases the rich heritage of the area. Don't forget to check out the local shops and boutiques for some delightful shopping too. Finally, we can't miss mentioning Canmore, located just an hour drive west of Calgary. Known for its stunning mountain vistas and outdoor adventure opportunities, Canmore is a paradise for nature lovers. From hiking and rock climbing to skiing and snowboarding in the winter months, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to visit the charming downtown area where you'll find a wide array of galleries, shops and restaurants. And if you are up for a truly unforgettable experience, take a scenic helicopter tour to witness the beauty of Canadian Rockies from above. Calgary is known for its multiculturalism and diverse population. The Indian community here is thriving and there are several establishments that provide a taste of home. Let's start the Indian grocery stores where you can find a wide variety of spices, lentils, snacks and other essentials. Jumping into the most popular Indian grocery stores in Calgary are Bombay Spices, Sanja Punjab and Chalo Fresco. They offer a vast selection of Indian products from fresh vegetables to authentic spices and frozen food. You'll find everything you need to recreate the flavors of India right here in Calgary. Not only do these stores cater to Indian expatriates, but they also attract locals who appreciate the rich flavor of Indian cuisine. Moving to the post-secondary education, Calgary is home for several renowned colleges and universities. The University of Calgary is the largest university in the city, offering a diverse range of undergraduate and graduate programs. Mount Royal University is another popular institution known for its strong focus on hands-on learning. For technical and vocational programs, the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology, known as SAIT, is a top choice. These institutions provide excellent academic opportunities and contribute to Calgary's vibrant student community. Now let's talk about shopping options in Calgary. The city of shopaholics paradise with numerous shopping centers, boutiques and markets. Chinook Center, located in the southwest, is one of the Calgary's largest malls and houses a wide range of retail stores and dining options. Don't forget about the Calgary's farmers market where you can find fresh local produce and artisanal goods. Hope you guys liked the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also in the comment section below let me know what was your favorite part for the city of Calgary. Until then, this is Sham from Explore with Sham signing off. Till then, take care and bye bye.